Let's take a look at number 14. Just to refresh your memory a little bit. If you have 5 to the 1/3 power, for example, to put that in the radical form, it would look like this. Whatever number's in the denominator, that goes in this little slot right here. That's called your index. Whatever number's on top goes inside like that, typically. Now we're going to be looking at a process where we alter that slightly. So let me type up the steps here. That's interesting. Let's try it again. Okay. I don't know what that's doing, but let's go ahead and work with it. This is evaluating a number to a fractional power, numerator, let me write top greater than 1. There we go. First step, put the numerator on the outside of parentheses. Step 2, rewrite what is inside the parentheses in radical form. Step 3, simplify the radical. There we go. And step 4, simplify what's left. So let's go through these with this problem. Problem 14. And we got 8 to the 2/3 power. Now step 1, I said put the numerator on the outside of the parentheses. So we're going to rewrite this as 8 to the 1/3 power and put the 2 on the outside. So I take the 2 that's on top, put it on the outside of the parentheses. And there's a 1 there then. Step 2, rewrite what's inside the parentheses in radical form. This would be the cube root of 8. Step 3, simplify the radical. We have the cube root, and 8 I'll write as 2 times 2 times 2. Now our index is 3, so it means we're looking for a set of 3 of something. Well, here's 3 2's. So that's going to come out in front. And there's nothing left inside the radical, so it disappears. So we got 2 squared. The squared remains on the outside. And then step 4, simplify what's left. 2 squared gives us 4. And that's our answer, which would match D as in David. Check that. $14D. Okay. Now there's a way to do this on the calculator, and it goes back to the idea that if you ever have more than a single number or a single variable in your exponent, you need to put parentheses around it. So when I plug this into my calculator, I'm going to do 8, then beginning parentheses, and then 2/3 power, and then closing parentheses. So that's how I'll type it in. So let's go over here. If you're in graph mode, go ahead and do a second mode to exit out. And 8 caret. This is the 2/3 power, so I do beginning parentheses, 2 divided by 3, closing parentheses, enter. and that gives us the same value, 4.